Hey guys, I'm here at the Dental Loft and I've been hearing really great things about this place, so I just wanted to come and check it out for myself. So my first impression is this entryway is really beautiful. I love this lobby and they have all sorts of drinks for you to choose from, a different variety and magazines. And then over here they have a kids corner and it's got all sorts of really fun toys and just activities, which is important to me as a mom of four. For my kids, you know, if I have to bring my kids to the dentist, they need to be entertained.
Hey Courtney, would like to take a tour?
Sure.
All right, this is our admin area. This is Kaylin and Kayla.
Hi.
We have over here on the way out a kids area. When we see kids, if they're good for their appointment, they get a gold coin that they can use in our toy machine, and they seem to really like that.
That's awesome. My kids would love that.
And in here, this is a fun space. This is a space that we use for like when parents are having dental work done, the kids can kind of come in here and hang out, like watch a movie, bring some toys from the lounge area and just kind of hang out while mom or dad gets work done, and you don't have to worry about them.
Yeah. I love that because if I have to bring my kids, it's going to be really difficult for me. So to have something like this is that's really nice.
And we have 3 treatment rooms. They're all set up the same. They each have a TV that you can watch Netflix if you'd like. We've got the noise canceling headphones.
Oh, cool.
And we tried to make it really kind of simple too, where we don't have a lot of, you know, like lights and attachments and things like that in your face. And also not really having, you know, the instruments sitting out and things like that. Like
Makes people more comfortable.
Yeah, yep.
So you said that there's noise canceling headphones. So like say you had to use the drill on somebody,
Yeah.
it would help with
Yeah,
that.
it would help not hearing as much. So.
I think that's really cool.
And then we also have speakers in every operatory that you can pick your music too. We have like all the radio stations and
that's cool.
Yeah. And here is our digital x-ray machine. It takes a full mouth or full face x-ray.
Wow.
And the digital actually uses 70 to 90% less radiation than traditional x-rays. So
Oh, well that's good. That's always something that I've wondered if I should worry about, so that's nice to know.
And back here is actually, this is our sterilization area and supplies in our lab. Yeah, this is just where we make sure all your instruments are sterilized. And
What's this stuff?
this is just the different materials that we use for any given procedure.
Wow.
Yeah.
I've never seen this side of the dental office.
Yeah.
That's cool. And this is the sterilizer, I'm guessing. That's
Yep.
Okay.
Where we sterilize all the instruments and yeah.
okay.
And then just this, and also when you came in over there, just kind of like a little hand washing station too. Yeah, because again, with keeping the treatment room simple, I don't have the traditional cabinetry and sinks and things like that. So,
Okay.
yeah.
That's cool. I like that. I like the simplified.
And my office is in here. It's, yeah, some supplies and stuff. I'm still kind of putting it together.
Yeah, because how long have you been open?
We are in, I think, our 3rd week, so not
Third
for
week.
very long.
And it's been going
It's been
pretty
going
good.
great. Yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
And then this is the girls' office. I have 5 daughters, as you know. And so they've kind of set up shop in here. They have a little desk and
I love
coloring
that.
books and stuff. And so they even had a little sign on this door. But it kept getting stuck, so I had to take it down. But it's actually, I think it's over here. Let me grab it. Ellie and Emma's office. So everybody knows this is their office in my office. So
I love that. You have a lot of like nooks for kids to hang
Yeah.
out in. That
Yeah.
is, I like that you're kind of family focused here.
Definitely.
And also it's beautiful.
Thank
Like,
you.
I love the chandeliers.
Thank you.
It's so pretty. So
Thanks. So one of the main reasons I think that people don't go to the dentist is because they're afraid of the injection and afraid of pain. So we have something here called the Dental Vibe. which we use to help greatly reduce the pain of injections, and I'll kind of show you how it works. And you can tell me if it reduced your pain levels with having an injection.
Okay.
So, first we're going to start with some topical numbing gel that I'll put on your gums.
Okay.
So open, just kind of dry the tissue real good.
Okay.
We'll let that sit here for a few seconds. You can close. So basically the way that this works, if you give me your hand, I'll kind of show you.
Okay.
So it just kind of sends us vibration. And the thought with this, the kind of the mechanism of action is when you're injecting, if you put this here first, it kind of gently massages the gums, has a soothing vibration, and that sensation reaches the brain receptors before the pain has a chance to reach those receptors, because the receptors are already blocked. So that's kind of, yeah.
So that's it?
Yeah.
Like, so you could do like a major procedure with that?
Well, you don't use this during the procedure, you do it when you do the injection, so that your brain is feeling vibrations, it's not feeling the pain of the needle.
So you actually are gonna do the injection.
Right.
But that like
But this is
confuses my brain basically.
Exactly. Yep.
Well, shoot, I hope it works.
Okay, well, let's take that out.
That's so funny. That's not what I expected. I thought it
What
would
were
be
you
like,
thinking?
I don't know how I thought it would work, but I thought that the needle would be in that thing.
Oh, no.
Yep, nope.
Okay,
Huh.
so let's start by having this in your mouth here. And it kind of also retracts your tissues for me. And that's it. What'd you think?
That definitely hurt less.
Okay, great.
Like
That's
a lot
my goal.
less. So when you get an injection, like to me that's like the worst place in your whole body you could get a shot.
Is in
when
your mouth.
when you think
Yeah.
about it, like that's such a thin part of your gums, but like that I understand how that works now that I've felt it, because like I did feel discomfort, but it wasn't sharp at all, and
Okay.
it was like after it was already in. I think it was like the feeling of the medicine, not the feeling of the.
Like the anesthetic going in.
Yeah, like I don't think you could actually feel the needle going in, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Well,
Yeah,
great.
that's awesome.
That's my goal.
Okay, so we just finished up with my appointment. We did an injection. I'm a little bit numb, but my lip sense looks fantastic. It doesn't look like it didn't smudge at all.
No, not at all.
How's yours?
Looks perfect.
Ooh, that's actually pretty
Wow.
awesome.
That is flawless, ladies and gentlemen.
It is.
Yep. None.
Thank you for everything today. This was
You're
really
welcome.
fun.
Thank you for stopping by.
Yes.
Just mention 11th Street Beauty at booking to claim your free teeth whitening kit worth $350.